Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Jenkins login problems, user and permission errors step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have administrative access to your Jenkins server. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jenkins login page. Attempt to log in with your credentials. If you encounter a login error, note the specific error message displayed. Common issues may include incorrect username or password. If you're unsure of your credentials, verify them against your user management system. Next, access the Jenkins server via SSH or your preferred remote access method. Locate the Jenkins home directory, typically found in /var/lib/jenkins or similar. Open the config.xml file within the Jenkins home directory. Search for the line that defines authentication settings. If necessary, modify the authentication configurations to enable user management. After any changes, save the file and restart the Jenkins service. Use the command sudo service jenkins restart if you're using a Linux system. Return to the Jenkins login page and attempt to log in with your credentials again. If the issue persists, check the Jenkins logs for any error messages. Access the logs located in the logs directory under the Jenkins home path. Look for entries that may indicate permission issues or authentication failures. If you find permission issues, review user permissions in the Jenkins interface. Navigate to Manage Jenkins and then Manage Users. Verify that the user profile has the appropriate permissions assigned. If necessary, update the permissions for your user account or add the user to a new group. Save any changes made and return to the login page. If you are still facing issues, consider resetting the admin. To reset the password, access the Jenkins authorization configuration. Utilize the Jenkins CLI or modify the user's directory to change the password. After making the necessary updates, restart Jenkins again. Lastly, attempt to access Jenkins using the updated credentials. If you continue to have login problems, review community forums for similar issues or consult Jenkins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.